If you are new to my channel, my name is Shantae. I've been doing hair for over 20 years. I consider myself a old school hairstylist with a new school twang. And the reason why I say that is because I try my best to stay up on the hottest and the latest trends. I feel as though I'm able to do your grandmother, your great grandmother, your mother, your children, and your grandchildren, your sisters, your nieces, your aunts, meaning I am very versatile. I can do from silk press, which is long hair, to short hair, pin-ups, um, keratin treatments, relaxers, you name it. If it has something to do with hair, if I don't know how to do it or I haven't done it, I'm definitely going to look into how to do that particular service. Now, one thing that I have not tapped into is the hair extension service called microlinks, I believe. Microlinks, things like that. I haven't done. Hair fusion, those are two hair extension techniques that I have not tried, but I'm still not opposed to it. It's something that I would be willing to learn. If I had a client of mine that asked for it, I would definitely look into how to achieve that service. But lately, I've been doing a lot of the glue-in quick weave pixies. I don't know why. Like, seriously, I don't know who made up that name, quick weave. Ain't nothing quick about that service. That service takes so much time because you have to think, excuse me, guys, you're trying to create a soft, neat, natural look with nothing but hair extensions. Now, one thing I'm not going to do is do a quick weave pixie on someone who has locks or someone who has a lot of natural hair. And the reason being is because how am I supposed to get that flat surface so that I can actually glue the hair down and cut it down so that I can make it look flat and neat? You're going to look like a helmet head. I mean, I know that there are some people who can do it, but I'm just not her. I'm not your stylist if you're looking for that service and you have locks, or if you have long, thick, natural hair. I can't. In fact, when people call me now, and I had to learn this the hard way, I had a young lady call me and she actually booked the appointment with me, and I actually booked it for a glue-in quick weave. Well, I'm not even going to say quick. A glue-in short pixie is what she wanted. But when she came to the salon, she had a head full of natural hair. And I was like, I'm so sorry. I'm going to have to see if I can find another stylist. I do not perform that service on people who have your length, your fullness, and natural hair. So I couldn't do it, needless to say. And I felt terrible. So I learned from that. And from now on, I ask people, before I book the appointment, I ask them, can you please tell me if you have a lot of hair that's natural or lot, I just ask so I don't set myself up or disappoint another client. So with that being said, I learned my lesson. I won't do that. The only people that I really prefer to do the um, glue-in pixie cuts are people who have alopecia. Like most of the people in this video suffer from some form of, if not, I think every customer suffers from some form of alopecia. And one thing I want to say, ladies, if you or you know someone that's suffering from some type of or some form of hair loss, please let them know they do not have to suffer in silence anymore. There are so many options for people nowadays. They could get what I'm doing, the glue-in. Um, they could get toppers put on. Of course, we can always throw a wig on, but sometimes your wig don't give you a natural look. So yeah, this is another alternative. But yeah, so I enjoy doing what I do. As you can see, I have a variety of different looks that I provide for my clients. And I also have private hair salon so that I can give private services to my clients who don't want to be around others. But guys, yes, that's a little about me. Please like, share, and subscribe.